In order to change the design of the button, we need to add CSS. So let's try to add CSS. So go to Google and type here CSS button style and select the website. There are free as well as paid CSS website. I will choose the free version, and from this website I will select one beautiful style of my choice. So I will scroll down and select a beautiful style. So I will select this one. So click on try it yourself, and in this we have to copy this code. So simply copy it and go to your web page and click on source, and in after title take this style, and in that style add this CSS style. You can give any name. You can change this name also. I will change this button to button 1 and click on the button, then type F4 and click on the CSS class and select the CSS name. So it changed. Now let's run the website whether it works or not. So it works.